Welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in the equation 7 times x minus 6 equals 15. In this video, we will walk you through step by step on how to isolate the variable x and find its value. So let's get started with solving this equation together. To solve for the variable in the equation 7x minus 6 equals 15, we need to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation. The first step is to get rid of the minus 6 on the left side of the equation so that we only have terms with x on the left. To do this, we will add 6 to both sides of the equation. By adding 6 to the left side, the minus 6 and plus 6 cancel each other out, leaving us with just 7x on the left. Now, the left side of the equation reads 7x. Since we added 6 to the left side, we must also add 6 to the right side to keep the equation balanced. Adding 6 to 15 gives us 21. So now the right side of the equation reads 21. After performing this step, the equation is now simplified to 7x equals 21. The next step is to solve for x by isolating it completely. Currently, the equation reads 7x equals 21. This means that 7 multiplied by x equals 21. To isolate x, we need to undo the multiplication by 7. To do this, we will divide both sides of the equation by 7. By dividing the left side by 7, you are left with x. This is because 7 divided by 7 equals 1, and anything multiplied by 1 remains unchanged, so we are left with x. Since we divided the left side by 7, we must also divide the right side by 7 to keep the equation balanced. Dividing 21 by 7 gives us 3. So the right side of the equation now reads 3. After dividing both sides by 7, we have discovered that x equals 3. This means the solution to the equation is x equals 3. We have successfully solved the equation and isolated the variable x. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.